Welcome to Science and Technology. This video is about artificial intelligence in education startups in India.
Artificial intelligence in education startups in India. The sudden outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic has created havoc in the education sector worldwide. Students are uncertain about when the educational institutes will again commence their classes, especially in India. Almost all the educational institutes are closed since March 2020 due to the emergence of the coronavirus and the increase in infected cases. But one of the most important sectors in India is the education sector. The future of India depends on smart and intelligent youth. Thus, there is a tremendous growth of educational startups that are focused on integrating artificial intelligence into education. It is essential for students to continue the learning process at home efficiently and effectively. Artificial intelligence models are helping them to learn new things in multiple interactive ways at home. The EdTech startups are initiating to help the rural students as well, who lack proper facilities to achieve milestones. Let's look at the top 10 artificial intelligence in education startups in India. One of the artificial intelligence in education startups in India is Upinas. Upinas is focused on bringing 21st century learning solutions from the global market to Indian market for the youth of India. It provides an opportunity to prepare for the life ahead with the implementation of artificial intelligence in its approach. The tech driven tools are integrated with the curriculum from pre KG to 12th standard to provide valuable experience to students. It reinforces successful access to education throughout their school careers and professional life. In 2020, Upinas raised $4.3 million in Series A funding. It also provides curriculum ebooks, materials, assessments, projects, as well as tools made of artificial intelligence algorithms. There are multiple subjects like English, mathematics, EVS, and many more. These are affiliated with state and central educational boards. The next artificial intelligence in education startups in India is Practically. Practically is one of the popular artificial intelligence in education startups based in Hyderabad that brings the learning experience in a practical mode. There is a self learning app to score an A grade in classrooms with a better understanding of the concepts. The EdTech startup believes in enabling a practical experience for students from class 6 to 12 while having engaging and interacting classes. There are more than 3.5 lakh students enrolled in the startups as well as over 18,000 teachers with a good profile. This startup is trusted by more than 200 schools in India for its immersive video content. It provides an edge of the seat experience with augmented reality and virtual reality education at any place at any time for the students to continue learning.
The next startup is Mindler. Mindler is focused
On providing counseling sessions to students who are concerned with their career decisions. It is well known that the beginning of the career is most essential to enhance the standard of living. The decisions must be taken with utmost calculations and research. The EdTech startup utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning with strategic human interventions to kickstart the careers of students. It has an aim to minimize human bias in the career decision making process by leveraging cutting edge technology and research. It provides career counseling from class 8 to graduates. The next, artificial intelligence startups in India, counting well. It is a popular edtech startup based in Bengaluru, providing master maths from home in 20 minutes a day to interested students. It provides multiple fun learning mathematics classes from class 6 to 8 with a step by step personalized learning path. The students can receive personalized artificial intelligence based maths workout plans for a better understanding with minimal screen time. The artificial intelligence algorithms are designed to enhance the learning experience because the algorithms help to detect the appropriate skill level. The next artificial intelligence is Jangru learning. It has the vision to cater to the needs of each student who has the desire to learn more. It is a B2B SaaS based startup to help educators understand the learner's journey with the help of an artificial intelligence based personalized adaptive learning platform. The reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence helps to power the personalization engine as well as with a faster diagnosis of master's level, monitoring of learning state, and many more. It has also been awarded the Millennium Alliance Grant under Education. The authorized share capital of Jangru Learning is rupees 1 million. The next artificial intelligence startup, Real Learning. It is focused on overcoming stressful evaluation cycles with the implementation of artificial intelligence for teachers across India. Artificial intelligence has enabled digitized checking of handwritten answer sheets and generates promising insights for teachers as well as students. The evaluation insight provides concept level analysis, cognitive ability assessment, as well as personalized performance reports. Real learning holds the record of evaluating more than 1 million answers while saving over 3,000 man hours. It tries to disrupt assessments through digitization, automation, as well as analytics. The sophisticated image recognition and artificial intelligence techniques are used to automate evaluation for reducing bookkeeping as well as operational hassles. The next startup is Embibe. It is yet another artificial intelligence in education startup focusing on free learning content and artificial intelligence based customized recommendations. This motto helps multiple students to achieve the best score by improving attempt strategies and time management. It provides classes from class 8 to 10 with national level examinations like JEE Main, NEET, AIMS, JEE, Advanced, Bank, Railway, BITSAT, and so on. The research is focused on mentor intelligence, content intelligence, as well as student intelligence with the implementation of artificial intelligence in education. The next artificial intelligence startup in India is STEM Robo Technologies. It is focused on providing integrated end to end offerings to educators across the country by leveraging artificial intelligence in education. It acts as an enabler for students to learn and innovate in robotics, IoT, and many more disruptive technologies. It has over 5 lakh students and teachers at the K to 12 level through unique custom designed patented die kits, innovative pedagogy, as well as world class content and methodologies. The curriculum includes students receiving real life exposure to artificial intelligence concepts. The next artificial intelligence startup is Avishkar. It is focused on creating an army of young innovators in robotics and next generation cutting edge technologies. It provides a comprehensive platform to teach the students about modern skills such as coding, robotics, artificial intelligence, IoT, and many more. Around 1 lakh students use the kits and courses for a better understanding, and more than 1,500 schools across India are registered with Aviskar. It has interactive courses for students from 5 years old to 15 years old. It has also set up tinkering labs in over 700 schools with its own equipment and solutions. There are monthly engagement activities, 6 subjects, training supports, events, and competitions. The 10th artificial intelligence startups in India, Robocart. Robocart has initiated to take supplementary training in multiple educational institutes to teach students about robotics, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and so on for practical experience. The program is adopted by more than 1000 educational institutes in India with over 1 lakh students. It provides 4 courses for students from grades 1 to 8 with 3 options for coding. It helps the kids to understand design games, logical thinking, app creation, website making, coding languages, as well as problem solving techniques.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Science and Technology.